Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Technologies are transforming the way consumers shop for apparel online by making the process more interactive, personalized, and immersive. The apparel brand Aina has introduced path-breaking solutions to help customers get the right fit and look while shopping online.
So basically, I think everyone loves shopping. But in shopping, what we actually see that how this product is there, what is the fabric of the product, how this actually garment looks on us, and what is the size of that garment, which we really like it. If everything is fine, then we only shop. And we know that especially after that pandemic, that the D2C brands are really increasing. If I'll tell you the real statistics, day by day, 80% users are actually increasing in the online shopping. And not even 80% users. Day to day, mostly 60 to 70% D2C portals is emerging for the fashion apparel. But the basic problem, whatever we shop, we found the one thing, whether this garment will perfectly look on me, whether it will come on my perfect size. So this is the common problem we actually find out after the pandemic. Because in the pandemic, we saw that every people has a kind of an fear. And right now, especially after that 2020, you will see that the emerge of metaverse, the AI, the augmented reality is also increasing. So why there is no any innovation in this kind of stuff? So we found that there is a gap, and we have started solving this problem with our solution Aina. So basically, Aina is our deep tech fashion brand where we come to provide the solution to our B2B2C owners and the fashion retailers brands, where we cater all our apparel market, whether it could be the e-commerce, whether it could be the manufacturers, or whether it could be the startup who wanted to start their online presence after establishing their complete offline presence to it. So we have found the solution and created the virtual trial room, virtual fitting solution, where the user has just to upload only a few details, and after that they could have a perfect shopping. To more with, I will give you a straight demonstration so that it will really clear that idea of how this problem and how we actually solved it and what is the basically impact of it. So we see this is the normal e-commerce portal. In this e-commerce portal, right now we have the tendency as an end user, what we see, yes, this is a product and this is the inputs vagara. And if I generally like this product, we should do, we should go straight to the size chart, where we see that whether this size, the L or the M will be fine for me. And during that, we found that the problem of return rates are increasing. So to cater this problem, we have founded the button My Size, where after clicking that, the only one form will come, where the user has to upload only one time height, weight, front photo and the side photo. And during this photos, doesn't matter which garment you are wearing, doesn't matter what background you are, you just need to upload one full photo, just like when you go to the tailor. Because when you go to the tailor sees you, the tailor see the fabric, the product, and then they give you the perfect fitting with the actual garment. And how this our product works? While just uploading that 4 input, you will get this particular being human t-shirt, which is in the cotton fabric, will be perfectly fit in a large size. Now, mostly I generally wear medium in the brands like Mango or the Zara. Why it's recommending the large one? So for that, we are also showcasing your body parameters. If you have any doubt, agar doubt hai, pick up an amazing tape and measure yourself. You will get an accuracy of more than 95% in it. And this is not me saying. This product already has been into the market from the last 2 years, catered multiple Delhi NCR markets like Lajpat Nagar, Sarojini Nagar, Karol Bagh, Khan Market, and from there we have took more than 7 lakh trials. And from the beginning of the accuracy, From 45% in the male, we have reached to 95 to 98%. And in the female, because we know that female body is very complex. They have the multiple shapes, size, fat deposition and all. And the mostly returns the fitting issues catered to them. So what? So we have also made our system in such a way that with just 4 input, height, weight, front photo and the side photo in these right now, especially in the initial years, the perfect size for the particular garment in a particular brand doesn't matter. Even in the same brand, there are multiple fabrics like cotton fabric, nylon fabric, and because of the fabric, the elasticity too matters. The and we cater everything, and with catering with our AI solution, we provide the perfect size. And the accuracy in the female, 55% reached to 95%. And it's been tested and tried, and already we are in the EBITDA positive also. But we are not stopping here only. Since we are solving the size problem, we know that we are in the world of the fashion trends where the fast fashion is going on. What if I really doesn't wanted to wear the perfect size and all? I wanted to wear this t-shirt, or anyone wants to wear this anything in a loose or the tight size. So we are also providing the virtual fitting dynamic recommendation, just like in a simple term, when you go to the trial room, you pick 2 or 3 sizes of the same garment, and then you see how this actually garment, from where it will be loose and from where it will be tight. So with our tool, you will also recognize that if you will get that double XL, you will get that from where this garment will be loose and this garment will be short. So this is the value which we are providing to the end user. The technology which we are using is the multiple bundle of it, not even restricted to the AI. In the AI, there are multiple things. We are working on the NLP model. We have used the OpenCV also, and with the multiple body profile, more than 1 lakh pre-training of the multiple body models has been also trained, so that our AI engine will recognize that this is the male body and this is the female body. Here also we have used the background removal part, so that the user shouldn't get any kind of hesitation to upload photo in a perfect background and all. Let we do that work. So we have made our technology in such a robust way that with the edge parameter and the inch to inch, we have measured the angles, and then we are providing the output of it. And not even that, we have also, apart from the pre-trained models, we have done the live training and the sustainability, that what's the actual accuracy when we give to the real data to it. So during the initial, in the beta launch, what we did, we have made our customers having the endless trial in the year 2021 and the 2022 beginning, just to recognize that doesn't matter whatever the technology we made, it matters what's the accuracy percentage, the data percentage of it. And then we have with the real trials of more than 7 lakh, we have found the accuracy reach. We have the group of around 8 people in the team, where the mix of fashion designers, and the ML trainer and the expert of the AI, so that everyone has its specific roles, and we combinedly work together and then come to our solutions. Because the computer part's done by a computer software person, but when it comes to the fashion, it's a very unorganized. Even a single inch matters. So our team collaborated with each other, and then we have come up with the solution. And not even that, since I said it's cater the problem of the shopping, it could run even a 20,000 rupees phone. So we have made our solution in such a way that it could even run without any buffering, because during these times nobody wants to wait. And this is in a completely deep tech technology. It requires us bandwidth and a data to process all that input. So we have also ensured all these things. And since we are getting the data, we have also come up with the complete GDPR compliances, so that it protects everyone. We are not storing any data also, and it's completely secured. in the initial years, we have started this thing in 2021, and we did the product market. We started our product market fit in November 2021 itself. In the initial, our one objective is there. Firstly, let the end users use this product or not. We find. So we have done this product in a multiple Delhi markets like Lajpat Nagar, since I told you, and more than 50 plus brands. If I'll say some of the customers like Surya Sarees, Lajpat Nagar famous ethnic wear shop, Karol Bagh famous ethnic wear shops, the Sarojini, where we cater multiple customer. They actually get that product in use, and they actually received that yes, it's usable. And in the initial years, we did the partnerships of the revenue sharing model, so that because the COVID fear was there, so the people were really very hesitation to go to the trial room. So it will be a kind of a win-win opportunity for both of us. And it also, like during this, that we have found that it helps our product to get more, developed in a more developing form. Yes, this person is using, and this is the problem is coming. So we are solving this problem. Then once we fitted it, yes, the end user is actually using the product. We then came into the market at 2022, and we are going to partners and the B2B customers, since the brands, like I told you, the marketplaces, the independent brand owners, in the India, across India, not even restricted to the Delhi NCR. We have got the clients in the Bombay and even from the Hyderabad and the Chennai also for this kind of a product. And they have used our product as a SaaS model, because that API MySize is a completely API. It's a plugin that could be integrated to any kind of an online and offline portal via the kiosk, like a digital screen where the people go to the store, see the product, and check the add to cart. Beside the add to cart, there is a MySize button to it, and they can access it without going to the trial room. So we have done as a SaaS model where our basic plan started, and the people were using it completely. And at 2023, since we are not only got the customer from the India, we have also got the customer from the global. We are getting the request from the global clients like the USA, having the multiple manufacturing firms and all. So they have also used our product, did the POC, paid the revenue. And I'm very happy to say that we have the Microsoft as our customer also, and as a partner also. So the idea is very common, and since 2012 and the 15, the global companies are working on this kind of a solution to it. But the market opportunity, if we'll see, the global market opportunity is more than $600 billion. And the virtual trial room, the virtual fitting solution, having the market opportunity is more than $13 billion by 2028. So we have found that we are into these things. We can take that as an opportunity, and we can cater the 1% or 2% of it. And after 2020, since the global market actually got aware about it, yes, now we need such kind of a technology, and not even the solution technology, this fitting technology, but even creating an immersive experiences of any garment, just like I show it to you, that they can provide a new way of digitizing their product also. So we came into the market, the people liked it in spite of our competitors and all. And our motives here, firstly, we are providing the accuracy. The second motive is there, we are 3 easy step solutions. We don't need any kind of details. We just need the size chart. We just need the product photo, and it could be integrated anywhere. The third is that we are showcasing your factual body measurement. Means if you have any 1% of doubt, you can pick up the measuring tape and you can do that. And also, our product can also optimize the manufacturing system, the entire supply chain, while reusing the digital asset and making a possibility of the multiple ways in the multiple segment. And that's why in this year we have reached our expansion into the global market, and also expanded our product not even to the apparel, but even to the multiple automobiles, the electronics, because we were getting the request where the expos and the exhibitions were happening. So why not showcasing the product in the new immersive way, in a mixed reality? impact, the first impact is the retention from the brand side. How it would be? The return rates the brands are facing is more than 40%. When the customer actually got the perfect size, the reduction rate actually reduces. So the end user will again visit their site. So the customer will be the retail. The second is on the profitability from the brand side. How profitability? Because not only for the return rates problem, because of the return rates and the overhead expenses which the brand owner faces in the terms of reverse logistics or in terms of inventory hold, we actually minimizes that cost and all. And we have found that the growth profitability, which we have seen as per our customers, and they have got the benefit of more than 15 to 20% of it. And the third thing is the sustainability. Since we are not only solving the problem of the fitting, we are also providing an immersive experiences. And right now it's in a digital world. Multiple marketing companies are there, and everyone, according to their budget, they are doing the marketing. But think as an end user side. How at one side you will get an ad of a Zara in a normal way, displaying all the product, and another side you will get a product in a new immersive way of a Mango. As an end user, whom you will go first? You will click on the Mango, and then you will see that yes, the product is providing in a very new way, the price is okay, the size is there, then definitely the time is spent on the Mango site is actually increased. So the bounce rate, which is the real analytics problem, which the brand owners is facing right now, that the bounce rate is increasing day by day, it's reduces. And the entire manufacturing supply chain, like using the digital asset before production. So we are catering to provide all this sustainability. Now we are planning to reach in a global expansion in the USA and the Europe. And it's not just me. We have a team of a group of mainly experts who has more been in the industry from the last 30 years and containing every insight, not only from the technology, but from on the business side, from on the strategy sides. And together we are coming up with a vision so that the next down the line 5 years, we are providing the world as a new virtual trial experience where the people could see themselves, could try any of the things, outfit themselves, and they could wear ramp on the walk while even experiencing the touch of the fabric, just the touching on the digital screen also. We are also working on it.
Immersive experiences, powered by technologies, are revolutionizing the customer experience for online shoppers. Immersive experiences are not just a trend, they are reshaping the future of e-commerce.